We're back here in West Toledo, and like I said, we have been doing hits here all day and this morning because of these strong winds. Now, the wind has been blowing at 55 to 60 miles per hour in some places. Wind whipping is what many residents heard this morning as winds came into the city of Toledo about 50 to 65 miles per hour. Now, after flags were blown across the city, many had to deal with the aftermath. What's quiet inside is not always going to be quiet outside. Toledo residents today woke up to strong winds that they've been hearing all morning as trees swayed, flags whipped, and many things got blown into the street. One of the many things that got blown into the street this morning happened to be a cone that had a weight to hold it down. Although it's quiet inside, make sure to never go outside when winds are this strong. Just be careful when driving because the wind can blow your car if you're going really fast, as well as the fact that debris can fly and hurt you. And if you're going outside to observe this storm or if you're going to pick up, quick tip, pick up after the storm so then if you move any debris and then it comes back into your yard, you'll have to do it again. And also, if you're going to observe, stay under some kind of roof or just be in a place like a shed or something, look out there, or stay by a door and just make sure that you observe carefully. And if you're going to photograph, also be careful. Send damages to your insurance company and just make sure that you're not prone to any severe storms when this happens. I'm Jaden Jefferson for Connect Alert News Now, Eyewitness News Toledo.